everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Today we're taking a closer look at the bold and refreshed 2025 Nissan Armada, a full-size SUV that brings serious power, impressive capability and surprising luxury to the table. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Armada isn't playing it safe. Nissan gave it a more refined yet muscular exterior update to keep it competitive in the growing full-size SUV space. It's got big presence. The front end features an imposing black chrome V-motion grille flanked by new quad LED projector headlamps and integrated LED fog lights. The redesigned front fascia improves aerodynamics slightly, but more importantly gives it a tougher, more premium look. This midnight edition trim we're looking at today adds blacked-out accents, 22-inch black alloy wheels and darkened badging, perfect if you want a little more attitude with your SUV. Outback new LED taillights, a restyled bumper and dual exhaust tips tie the look together. Overall, the Armada's design manages to look upscale and rugged, which is exactly what most full-size SUV buyers are after. Inside, the real transformation for 2025 happens inside. The Armada's cabin was already spacious and well built, but this year it gets an even more modern layout, especially in higher trims. All models now come with a 12.3-inch high-definition touchscreen front and center, featuring a cleaner interface and faster response time. You've also got a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster which you can customize with maps, media, safety info and more. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, no more cables cluttering up the dash. And finally, Nissan added a wireless charging pad along with multiple USB-A and USB-C ports in all 3 rows. Comfort is king in the Armada. These premium quilted leather seats and the platinum trim are not just heated but also ventilated. Even in the second row, third row space is surprisingly generous for adults and with tri-zone climate control. Now let's talk power, because this SUV brings it. Under the hood of every 2025 Armada you'll find a 5.6-liter endurance V8 engine. It's been slightly retuned this year, making around 410 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. This big V8 is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoother than last year's version. If you're towing, this is where the Armada really shines, with rear-wheel drive or optional intelligent 4WD. The Armada can tow up to 8,500 pounds. That's best in class for a non-diesel, gas-powered SUV. Tech-wise, the 2025 Armada finally feels like it's caught up with the times. The new infotainment system is slick, customizable and easy to use. There's an optional rear seat entertainment system with dual 8-inch screens and HDMI inputs, great for road trips. Up front, the around view monitor provides a 360-degree bird's-eye view, which is incredibly helpful for parking a vehicle this large. Safety is a big deal in a family hauler, and Nissan brings the heat with standard Safety Shield 360 that includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, rear automatic braking, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, high beam assist. The Armada comes in several trims, starting with the well-equipped S, moving up through SVSL. The stylish Midnight Edition pricing starts around $58,000, and a fully loaded Platinum will run you closer to $75,000, still undercutting some rivals like the Tahoe and Expedition. With bold styling, V8 power and upgraded tech suite and serious towing chops, the 2025 Nissan Armada is a compelling choice if you want full-size capability without full-size compromise. The 2025 Nissan Armada is proof that big SUVs can be bold, capable and still refined. If you're tired of the cookie-cutter family SUV, the Armada offers something different. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Armada over the Tahoe or Sequoia? If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car reviews and hit that bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.